Understand niggas get shot every day. Niggas get robbed every day. You know what I'm saying? Niggas get hit up by the feds every day. I pray to God. Understand what's coming in this shit when you wanna get in.
I got Mikey whipping on my show.
Understand I've been doing this shit, say young nigga for real. I couldn't be fucked when I stepped in the kitchen and grabbed that microwave for real. Put that pistol on my hip and told anybody if they made the wrong move, I'ma kill them. Cause I ain't that nigga to play with. I got too much shit going on in my life, bitch, for real. Understand me for sure. Understand I gotta go, this trap shit locked in for sure. Microwave black, I ain't the one to be fucked with. Understand these niggas getting hit up in the hood every day, bitch. No, for sure. Microwave, yeah, they tried it. I'm tired of them, for real, man. I can't stand these bitches for sure. Come on, ride with me. Shit, we gone. Come on.
I got Mikey whipping
Now
on
let
my
me
show.
put you on a plane for real and get you out the city for real. I know my phone won't stop ringing. I'm about to get this shit gone. It's all off a zone. That's my favorite ringtone. If I could say that, that's my doorbell ring. I swear to God, I'll do it. There's so much shit ringing off the meter. Like the ring doorbell, I see everything coming. Ain't no getting close to a nigga that's playing with this money. I know I'm a young nigga, but I'm turned up. And I ain't the one to play with for real. Try to tell her, come on, bring your ass on. Riding or not, can't be fucked with, baby. Swear to God, bitch. I swear to God, microwave, bitch. Come on, let's go.